When we think about riding jackets and pants, we probably think about protection. But do you also think about comfort? If your gear is not comfortable to wear and use, it can affect your confidence in the motorcycle and take a lot of fun out of the ride too. This episode of Gear Matters dives into some comfort-focused features that you should look out for when choosing your riding gear. Materials that offer high abrasion protection tend to be stiffer and more rigid than everyday fabrics. So if these are not used in the right way, your riding gear can feel restrictive and uncomfortable. At ViaTerra, we look at protective garments holistically and make material choices based on the functional priorities of each area of the garment. Using the ViaTerra Kruger Air riding jacket as an example, while high abrasion wrist zones get large dual-layered panels of genuine 500D Investor Cordura, adjacent areas use 600D Oxford, which is a durable but more pliable fabric that improves comfort. Keeping cool is critical too, and hence the layout of high-strength 3D mesh panels is done as per the body heat map to maximize airflow where you need it the most. At ViaTerra, riding jackets and pants incorporate a pre-curved design. The extent of pre-curve varies between products, but what this means is that our gear is constructed using the riding position as a primary reference instead of regular standing or walking posture. Because of this pre-curved design, your gear is shaped to be most comfortable in the riding posture. So your gear is not fighting against you when your elbows and knees are bent. We include stretch panels at strategic positions to improve mobility. On the riding jackets, these are usually used for better movement at shoulders and elbows. On riding pants, we prioritize mobility at the knees as well as at the crotch so that it is more comfortable while riding, easier to get on and off your bike as well as to walk. We also know that every body is different and all our riding gear feature multiple areas of adjustability. Typically, this will include adjustability on the sleeves, waist, and calves. Some products allow for additional adjustments at the collar and cuffs too. And of course, the finer details matter too. We use soft neoprene at the cuffs and collars to ensure that the material touching your skin is not abrasive. It might sound like a small detail, but it makes a world of a difference. These are just a few ways in which we try to make sure that all ViaTerra riding jackets and pants are comfortable, convenient, and enjoyable to use on your motorcycle. To find out more about our riding gear and design behind it, you can explore our collection of touring, street, and off-road riding gear using the links in the description. Thanks for watching.